and you watch carefully how you can create your own English routine. Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can create your own learning routine. If you are learning English or any other language and you are finding difficult to manage your time because of your busy schedule, or maybe you are too tied up with all your work and you are not finding any time, so I have come up with this beautiful video. You will understand how you can manage small amount of time, and in that small time you will be able to improve your English. So my dear friend, watch this video till the end and I am sure you will be able to create your own English learning routine. But before we start, can I ask you one question? The question is, do you have any routine which you follow? Are you managing any timetable when you have to study, when you have to do your other activities? If not, please do it. Because why I'm telling you this, only because when you have some routine, you will have discipline in your life. And this discipline plays a big role in improving and shaping our life. Imagine that you have a routine, okay? And someone, your friend, he doesn't have any routine. He wakes up one time, when he gets time he will practice, when he doesn't get time he will be busy with something else. And you just can follow your time properly. You wake up at 6, you have your timetable fixed that by 7 I have to study, 8 o'clock I will be going out for my work. What is the difference between you and your friend? The difference is that in 3 months time you will be in a totally different position and he will be stuck in the same place. So my dear friend, let's continue with this video and you watch carefully how you can create your own English routine. Creating a routine for English learners is essential for consistent progress and improvement in language skills. So here are the step-by-step guide to help you develop an effective routine. Number 1 is that assess current level. First of all, you need to understand and identify where you stand. Are you good in your listening? Are you good in speaking? Do you understand English properly? Whatever you read, catching it? Are you getting it? You have to understand where you stand. For that, I'm sharing with you one website. See this website, okay? Just open it. This is called cambridgeenglish.org. So when you open this website, okay, you will get some tests. Say these are the tests. You can fill it up, you can try to answer the question and see where you stand. Based on that, you decide how you have to create your routine. This will help you identify your strength and areas for improvements. This link I will give you in the description. You can go there and you can check it out. The second process, set clear goals. Work with the learners, those who are learning English. You try to mingle more with them, okay, so that you get idea how to improve. They will be working on some subject. You can also follow them and try to work on the same thing. You are working on something, they will follow you. As a group, when you work, it's a teamwork, we say. And when you work as a team, the achievement is more in less amount of time. Be smart in working. Remember, goals should be smart. So you need to set clear goals, such as improving pronunciation, expanding vocabulary, or passing a proficiency exam. Next, you have to determine your available time. You are a working person. You go out to your duty early morning. By 7:30 you need to leave home. Whole day you will be busy with your work. You come back home by around 7:30 in the evening. You're not finding time. So just work on that. Which is the best time for you? Maybe if you wake up 5 minutes early, or if you go to bed 5 minutes late or 10 minutes late, that time you can invest in your learning. Determine how much time can be deducted to English learning each day or week. If you are busy in the weekdays, try to manage some time in the weekends. See, after all, it's your time. You know it better when it works for you. Next, create a weekly schedule. You need to allocate your time for each learning skills like listening, speaking, reading, writing. Divide the available time into manageable study sessions. It's not like that you come from your college without getting fresh, without fixing your mind. Just don't sit down to study because that will not help. First of all, your mind should be fresh. Your mind should be ready to devote time for studies. Get fresh up, then sit down for some time and study. You need to prioritize which is more important for you, where you are lagging, okay, which is your weak point. Work on that more. Next, include variety. I've seen many people, they just create a habit of reading and that's all they do. But at the end of few months, they realize that they had not improved much. So, you need to work on all activities. It may include listening like podcast, audiobooks, songs, TV shows, movies, speaking sessions like conversation practice with a language partner, role plays, pronunciation drills. Next comes reading. What you can do on reading? Read books, articles, newspaper, blogs, short stories. Okay, then what is left? Writing. What you can do? Write journals, write emails, essay, creative writing exercise, etc. Finally, you need to work on your grammar and vocabulary. For that, use online exercise, flashcard, language learning apps. So these are the variety. You need to include all this in your routine. Next, practice regularly. There is a saying, consistency is the key. Just imagine that you made your mind that you will practice every day. And suddenly you realize, oh, tomorrow I need to go to my friend's birthday party. Day after tomorrow is a picnic. In this way, if you keep procrastinating, if you keep postponing your task, how you will learn? Not possible, right? So, you have to practice regularly. Because when you practice regularly, you progress fast. Monitor progress and adjust the routine as needed to address challenges or learning goals. Establish a routine time or place for language learning to build a habit. Got it? So you need to fix a place as well. That is important. That place should be dedicated for your learning. Next comes review and reflect. Just imagine that you have learned something, okay, on Monday. Today is Saturday. It's almost 4-5 days, right? So what you can do, weekends, you can revise all the tasks that you have taken care of on weekdays. On weekdays, you have learned many things. And if you don't revise, I can guarantee you, my dear friend, it will not remain in your brain for a long time. In order for you to remember everything, you need to revise continuously. So, weekend, make it a habit that you revise whatever you did the entire week. Adjust goals and strategies accordingly. You always need to work on the areas where you are weak. Have you improved? Have you not improved? Just check on all these things. Next, seek support. It is important to get the support from others. It's not only your teacher. You can seek support from online tutors or some academy where you enroll for English classes. You can go there, you can ask them, this is my problem. I'm unable to solve it. Please help me. They will be glad to help you. It is not easy, my dear friend, to do everything all alone as a beginner. So as a beginner, you can always seek the help of some online platform. Your neighbors, your English teacher, they will guide you and they will help you. Next, stay motivated. Always remember, small step will take you to your destination. Today you have learned something new. You should be happy for that. Wow, today is a very productive day. That should motivate you. It's not like, oh, I have just learned one or two sentences or something just as a beginner I have learned. No, that will demotivate you. Always keep motivating yourself. Maybe today you are busy. You can say, oh, today I was busy. No problem. Tomorrow I will try to find out extra 5 minutes. This is all about positive thinking, my dear friend. How the way you train your mind, the mind will treat you in that way. So always focus on positivity. That will keep you motivated. Next, adapt and flexibility. Don't be too rigid to your timetable. Okay, be flexible. Oh, today I have less time. Tomorrow I will make it up. Or this weekend I'll be busy, I cannot revise. Maybe on next weekend I will revise for extra 10 minutes. So be flexible. What will happen? Your mind will keep you in a good condition. You will not feel bad. You will not feel down. You will not feel low. So always relax yourself and learn. Remember, learning is a journey. Okay? The more fun, the more easily you learn. This is a world of artificial intelligence. Explore the internet. Try to find out different ways which can help you to learn. As I told you, two factors which you need to keep in mind. One is stay motivated and keep working regularly. This will help you a lot. So my dear friends, this is all about today's video. I'm sure you have learned a lot of things. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.